Hey guys, this is Aqua. I just wanted to do a quick video showing my husband's short dreadlock journey. He started growing his hair out, and I took off a lot of the bulk around the edge until I figured out the shape that I wanted. We kind of had talked about this for a while, and he had decided that he wanted to start high top locks. So this was our starting space, I guess you would say. We kind of played with this haircut to get it to the height that he wanted, and then I decided that I wanted to go ahead and try to start his locks. I think he maybe had about 1.5 inches of hair, but it turned out really nice. I only twisted it with water. I don't even think I added water. It was dry. This was after a couple of days. It kind of drew up, but he had been tying it up. Probably about a month or two into the process, he really started to own it, and I was able to maintain it with water after fresh wash and retwist at that time. He found it to the point where he liked it shaved off on the sides. And then I got the idea that I wanted to reinstall his old locks from when he was a teenager. So I did go through that process. It took me probably about 8 hours or so over the period of 2 days. And we installed them via the crochet method. Different size locks from his childhood, but he said that made the journey more special for him. I did interlock the roots, and these lasted for a period maybe about a month and a half, until I got tired of him. I didn't like them hanging in his face, but that's it. He enjoyed it. We definitely thought that it was a great opportunity, and I look forward to seeing what's next on his journey.